Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and post stories on your Snapchat web. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and simply search for Snapchat web just like that, and go ahead and click on the first link that you see. And now you can simply go ahead and log in into your account. Once you've logged in into your account, simply all you need to do is go ahead and click a photo. For me, I only have my OBS Studio Cam or virtual cam, as I don't have a webcam. As you can see, you can go ahead and enable any camera that you have on your device and simply go ahead and click a photo. Now, when I click on send to, I can simply go ahead and add to my stories, friends only, as you can see. And all you need to do is click on send, and that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.